In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Traveljoy account. If you've decided that you no longer want to use Traveljoy, the process is fairly straightforward, but there are a few important things to do before your account is removed. Since account deletion can be permanent, it's a good idea to make sure you've saved anything you may need later. To begin, go to the Traveljoy dashboard and log into your account. Once you're signed in, take a moment to review the information stored in your account. This is important because before requesting deletion, you should export any client records, trip details, invoices, or itinerary data that you want to keep. After the account is deleted, you may not be able to access that information again, so don't skip this part. If you use Traveljoy for business or client management, double-check carefully to make sure you've downloaded everything you might need for your records. After you've saved your data, the next step is to contact Traveljoy support and request account deletion. At this stage, you'll need to clearly let them know that you want your account permanently deleted. When sending your request, be sure to include the email address associated with your Traveljoy account. This helps the support team identify the correct account and process your request more efficiently. For privacy and security reasons, make sure you only provide the account email address and any necessary information requested by their team. Avoid sending unnecessary personal details. Keep your message simple and clear so there's no confusion about what action you want them to take. Once your request has been sent, the final step is to wait for confirmation from the Traveljoy support team. In most cases, they may reply to confirm your identity, ask for clarification, or let you know when the deletion has been completed. Be sure to monitor your inbox for any updates so you can respond promptly if needed. And that's all there is to it. Log into Traveljoy, export the data you want to keep, contact support to request deletion, provide the email address linked to the account, and then wait for confirmation from their team. If you want to avoid losing important business information, always make backups before requesting deletion. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you successfully remove your Traveljoy account.